Southbound traffic is stop and go at the U District. Southbound traffic is stop and go at the Ship Canal Bridge. Southbound traffic is stop and go at Mercer Street. Southbound traffic is stop and go at the Convention Center. Southbound traffic is heavy at the I-90 interchange. Southbound traffic is heavy at South Center Hill. Accident involving a truck. Two right lanes blocked on I-5 southbound at I-90 starting 3:15 p.m. October 16th, 2009 until further notice. Vehicle on fire. Three right lanes blocked on I-5 southbound at Way Station starting 3:15 p.m. October 16th, 2009 until further notice. Two left lanes closed in both directions of I-5 from Port of Tacoma Road to the Pierce King County line for an HOV project from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. overnight October 15th, 2009 and October 16th, 2009. Long-term road construction on I-5 southbound.